April Monsters, what's up? And Spars Lesson 13, and I just got back from GameStop with something new. And got some new Skylanders. It's more like a new, got an adventure pack this time. Comes with 2 magic items, the level, and just Skylander. So I already, I'm just gonna open this, show what's inside. I already kind of pre-opened it, so save time here. Because I want to show you what these do. Final suit on now. Let's start with the magic items. Alright. Here's the Time Twister. And the Healing Elixir. The Healing Elixir, I guess, heals your Skylanders. And the Time Twister, I don't know what that does. I believe it slows down time or something in the game. Level. There's the level. Yeah, it's pretty cool looking actually. Very nicely detailed. It's called the Dark Light Crypt. Very cool. It would look good as a hood ornament. Or tattoo. And last but not least, the Skylander, which is an exclusive to these packs, and it is Ghost Ruster. And he's kind of creepy looking. I'll give Dallas that. And she said the character of Skylander is creepy. Well, he's definitely out there. And so I got cards and codes. Codes I'm not going to show you because people try to steal them. Here's the Ghost Roaster, Healing Elixir, Time Twister, Dark Light Crypt, and the stickers. So I'm going to try these guys out and see what you guys think in the next video.